Alpha is a spinning multi-toy designed to increase focus through fidgeting. Alpha has features and styling never before seen.
Hi, I'm Mike Hogarty, and by day I design supercar parts. I love high-end CNC craftsmanship, and the maker community inspires me.
And I'm Callie Keene. I've developed over 200 products for startups, entrepreneurs, and Fortune 500 companies. But this time, we decided to make something really fun. The creativity and craftsmanship of the maker community inspires us. Seeing the beautiful machined knives, tools, and tops gets us excited. The term multi-toy is something that we jokingly coined during development, but it's kind of true. The complete package contains a top, acts as a gyroscopic battle top, and serves as a satisfying hand spinner.
Design is an exploration. If you end exactly where you expected, you're just implementing. Alpha is the result of rapid iteration through prototyping, testing, and learning. We tested bearings, materials, and profiles to refine the design. We considered spin, feel, weight, appearance, and functionality. Precision CNC machine parts are expensive. We need your help and funding from Kickstarter to make a high enough volume to offer Alpha to the community.
Fidget. Why Fidget? Fidget is the combination of a fidget toy, spheres. Spheres were used to create the outer mass, to give the toy its total mass. One of the things that I fell in love with after I held it for the first time is the way the light plays across the spinning spheres. It just makes almost like an infinite amount of concentric and intersecting circles of light. It's almost magical. When I was designing this, I wanted it to be as curvy as possible. So when I set out to design something that not only did I want it to be functional, but I wanted it to be beautiful. This fidget's kind of hard to explain. You can see it on the screen, you can see it in the drawings. I saw it as I was designing it. And it didn't really become real to me until I actually held it. So when I first created this fidget, I didn't know what it was going to be like to hold it. And I can't describe the very first time when you're rushing to put something together and you finally spin it for the first time. It was really amazing. That gives me hope that this is going to be a pretty unique product for people like me that appreciate beautiful design and something that really does blend the lines between form and function.